Hi, welcome back to my channel. Giselle here. So in this video, I would like to share to you that I buy from Lazada, which is from Man Angie Falls Eyelashes. It's a magnetic eyelashes. So we will Hi, welcome back to my channel. Giselle here. So in this video, I would like to show you that this is my very first time that which is I normally am using the mascara for the when I put like that, but now I am using the eyelashes. It's a magnetic eyelashes. This is my very first time to use. So we will open it and then let's see. Anyway, I'm Giselle here, a video creator and affiliate marketer expert, and then the influencer. So hi. So in this video, I would like to show you the I will open it now. We will open it. So here we will do and open this one. Okay, so we will open it and then okay, so later we will try to use it. Charang! And then this is the one. Okay, so it's a mascara. It's a mascara. It's a nice packaging actually. So it's a magnetic mascara. So it's a magnetic mascara. So which is I buy from Lazada on 11/11. So last week also I did buy 11/11, which is a bit slow the a bit slow the delivery. So we will check this one which is nicer or not, because I always use the mascara to wipe it on, and then sometimes we go for raining or paspire or sweet, no, so quite difficult for me. So we will show here. Okay, so here, and then this is the one. It's a bit longer. Okay, so and then this is the one. Okay, so here, okay, so a bit longer if you really want to make it. So we will try it on because this is my first time to use, so we will try, and then I'm not sure whether I can do it because this is my very first time. So this is the one for. Okay, so shake the magnetic eyeliner 10 to 20 times. Okay, so this is the instructions from behind. So inclusion magnetic eyelashes, so magnetic eyeliner fluid, and eyelashes with a special. You got that? Oh. So this is the one, the eyelashes magnetic eyeliner fluid. So this is the fluid. So this is the fluid. We will try later on. And then this is the eyelashes with the special tools. This is the one. So magnetic eyelashes. So we will try after this. I am really pretty not sure whether I know how to use it because this is really very first time. So this set is using method is shake the magnetic eyeliner 10 to 20 times. Apply the magnetic eyeliner to the eyelids from here, the eyelids, and then wait a minute for it to dry out. Okay, so absorb the magnetic eyelashes onto the eyeliner with a towel or hand to complete the wear. Okay, so magnetic eyelashes can only be worn after the magnetic eyeliner is dry. So the magnetic eyeliner fluid must dry first before you put it in when you apply this one because it's a liquid. So once it's dry, so it will be okay. Okay, so just put it on. Okay, you put it on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pair of eyelashes. So I'm not sure whether okay because This is my very first time to use, huh? And then we will try to use it. So we will try to use it. They say we will shake it 10 to 20 times, okay? So we will shake it 10 to 20 times, and then we will try, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 20. So here we will try. Oh my god, I scared if I cannot. I don't know how to use. This is the main thing, because first time I'm using all these things, so I don't know. Oh my god. We will try. No, I don't want to try. Maybe later. So we will try it on, and then this is the one to pick it up. They will hold, and then it will be okay after this. Okay, so that's it. So that is the today is a video. So a bit hot now, so we are outside again. So I will show you the outside. So I cannot, because I cannot move the camera. So yes, it's from Lazada. I bought it for, wait, okay, so I will check how much. There is no receipt. So actually it's very thick. We will find on my phone. Okay, so okay, so I bought it on 16 ringgit, and then the shipping fee a bit expensive, so I pay on 22 ringgit. So later I will show you guys the screenshot. So I will post it on, because sometimes if you buy all these things, you feel comfortable, and then you no need to use the mascara volume, because you want to use the magnetic eyelashes. So the magnetic eyelashes, according to my friend, according to my research, is really good, and then easy for you. It's very easy for you to use. Just put the eyeliner to make it dry a bit. I never tried, so later I will try another more content. So I will show you how to put it in the magnetic eyeliner. So eyelashes, so okay, so fake eyelashes. So we will try it on, because this is my very first time to use that, and then we will doing it for the beginning, because later we will show you how it is going on. Okay, so that's why I show you, because you know why, if really magnetic comes to now, the magnetic is really good, because it just put it in. And then if it was raining, you don't need to worry, because if it is raining, the mascara, it will be, sometimes you put it in your eyes, and it become, you feel very teary eyes, so your eyes will be a big problem. Okay, so sometimes you don't like, right, sometimes the mascara will be stick on the eye, so you have a very big problem on that. Okay, so that is the best thing I can do. I share to you guys. So be safe, and then be happy. So be kind to everyone, and then for the next video, we will share how to use or how to make the magnetic eyeliner. Okay, so that is the best ever. Okay, see ya.